Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the latest rumors, leaks and speculations surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. If you're a content creator, vlogger, or someone who just loves capturing high-quality stabilized footage, this upcoming pocket-sized powerhouse could be worth the wait. But the big question remains. Should you hold off on buying a camera now, or is it worth waiting for the Pocket 4? Let's break it all down. DJI Osmo Pocket 4. The next evolution in pocket cameras? While DJI has yet to officially announce the Osmo Pocket 4, the rumor mill is buzzing with exciting details. Based on leaks and insider reports, it seems that DJI is making refinements rather than a complete overhaul. But these changes could make a significant impact on usability, video quality, and overall performance. Design and build. More ergonomic, more functional. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to have a slightly heavier body, weighing around 190 grams, an increase from the Pocket 3. This weight increase can be attributed to two major factors. A larger 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen should make framing shots much easier. A larger battery could potentially extend recording time significantly. Beyond that, DJI is reportedly improving the grip texture and button layout, focusing on better ergonomics for prolonged filming sessions. If you've ever used a pocket camera for extended vlogging or travel footage, you'll know how crucial a comfortable grip can be. Display and usability. Brighter and more responsive. Another big upgrade is the OLED touchscreen, which is expected to feature 800 nits of brightness. This is a game changer for those who frequently shoot outdoors in bright sunlight. A high brightness screen means better visibility, improved framing, and less guesswork while recording. Additionally, the UI is expected to be smoother and more intuitive, possibly borrowing some elements from DJI's higher-end cameras and drones. Camera sensor and image quality. Pushing the limits. DJI made a significant leap from the Pocket 2 to the Pocket 3, upgrading the sensor size to a 1-inch sensor. The Pocket 4 is rumored to keep this 1-inch sensor, but we could see further refinements in low-light performance, dynamic range, and processing power. Key camera features expected. 1-inch CMOS sensor with an f/2.0 lens for better low-light performance. 10-bit color depth for more vibrant, true-to-life colors. D-Log M HDR recording for enhanced post-production flexibility. 4K at 240 FPS. A massive improvement in slow-motion capture compared to the Pocket 3. Real-time HDR previews for better exposure control. If these rumors hold, cinematic footage will be more achievable than ever, making it an excellent choice for filmmakers, action shooters, and vloggers alike. Autofocus and tracking. Faster, smarter, more reliable. One of the common criticisms of previous Osmo Pocket models has been their autofocus system. The Pocket 4 is rumored to introduce phase detection autofocus with improved eye tracking. This should result in snappier focus, better subject tracking, and overall smoother recording. Active Track 7.0 is also expected to debut on this device, meaning better AI-driven subject tracking for dynamic shots, fast-moving scenes, and vlogging on the go. Imagine running, biking, or even capturing fast-action sports with a camera that keeps you perfectly in focus. This could be a game-changer. Battery life and charging. More recording time, less downtime. Battery life has always been a crucial factor for portable cameras. Rumors suggest that the Pocket 4 will feature an upgraded battery, extending recording time to around 200 minutes. Another highly requested feature is faster charging, and it looks like DJI may finally deliver. If reports are accurate, the Pocket 4 will support USB-C fast charging, allowing for quicker top-ups between shoots. Better heat management is also rumored, addressing overheating issues that some users faced in earlier models. Stabilization. Combining mechanical and digital for ultra-smooth footage. DJI's signature 3-axis gimbal stabilization is getting an upgrade. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature an enhanced mechanical stabilization system combined with electronic stabilization, offering even smoother footage in challenging conditions. This hybrid system could make it possible to capture professional-grade footage without the need for additional accessories or post-production stabilization. Whether you're walking, running, or filming handheld, expect a buttery smooth video with minimal effort. Price and release date. What to expect? The Pocket 4 is expected to have a starting price of around $699, with a creator combo package costing approximately $799. While this represents a slight price increase, The rumored upgrades might make it a worthwhile investment for creators seeking a high-performance, ultra-portable camera. As for the release date, DJI tends to follow a 3-year cycle for Osmo Pocket releases. That means we could see the Osmo Pocket 4 launching in late 2026 or early 2027. However, DJI is known to surprise us with earlier releases, so stay tuned for updates. Should you wait for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? If you already own the Osmo Pocket 3, you might be wondering if it's worth upgrading. The answer depends on your needs. If 4K at 240 FPS, better autofocus, and longer battery life are critical for your workflow, waiting for the Pocket 4 could be a smart move. However, if you need a camera right now, the Pocket 3 remains a fantastic choice, and prices may drop as the Pocket 4 release nears. Final thoughts. Is it worth the hype? While everything is still in the rumor phase, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is looking like an exciting upgrade. If DJI delivers on these speculated features, it could become the ultimate compact camera for content creators. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights, leaks, and hands-on reviews. See you in the next video on Techno Trend Zone.